from this to this to this. Hey, it's Walter Van Dusen. We are at the vet show, and I'm going to show you how I become more organized for setting up in a trade show booth. I am not using a two light stands, tripod, and tether base stand. This is, so we're going to open up so this is the Titan cinema setup. We do have a few extra items, but I will have the base image come up. Everything fits in this bag, which is provided by Titan. Inside of this bag is two of these poles. So these two poles, and when you first get it, the wheels, you have to install the wheels. So I installed the wheels, which does fit into the bag. Also comes with, I think, a couple pistol grips, maybe 2 or 3. I requested the long ones because I'm going to be using these for the lights, which I'll set up. So this is everything in the bag. We'll move the bag out of the way. And then this is mine. This is what I mount my camera to. It's a PCH Campbell by Campbell, made in the Netherlands. Very, very nice. I use this for the camera, but I'll set that up separately. If you back up a little bit, the first thing we do is we loosen this up, and it comes down like this, and we go up. So we're going to have to roll this stand to another location because I have to do headshot portraits at the mixer. Thread side goes into here, which is on top, which is on the base. So this should be the pole. I got these right before I left from Massachusetts to come here, which is where in New York City at the Javits Center. And the thing that I wanted was, and they have really nice packaging too, Studio Titan out of Toronto. These are made in South Korea. I feel South Korea quality is good, is on par, could be better than Germany or Japan or United States. So this is, in this box, this is a spacer bar, which was sent to me because I requested it, because at trade shows, I can photograph people like 6'9", 7 foot tall. So this is an additional piece that you can get, which will make your stand taller. And what I'll do, since I'm not that tall, I'm only 6 foot tall, I'm not going to add weights, heavy weight things to the top. I just want the camera to be able to go higher if I have somebody tall. I would normally not put on these pistol grips on the top level like this, but at this convention, I did photograph some people that are really tall. And when I go to other shows, people are tall. So so everything's torqued. I'm gonna use this one for the camera. I'm gonna put this one so I can have, this is organic. I'm setting this up for the first time at a trade show. I used it in the basement studio, as you saw if you watched one of my videos. But it's pretty quick so far, and this is taking away tripod, 2 light stands, and a tether station. So that's gonna be my camera. This is gonna be the tether station. Let's go over here and do another unboxing and see what's in here. 2 packages came on Monday from Toronto. They're selling so hot that they have to wait for a shipment to come in. So I got lucky. So this is how stuff comes directly from Titan. So this is like a little unboxing on location. Everything's in plastic. We have some extensions. And it looks like we have extension. some pins. And today we have Jimmy behind the camera, which is sort of cool. Jimmy's local to New York City. I met him at last year's B&H Build Expo, and he gifted me a tennis ball to put on on my stand, which I thought was very nice. So I won't forget that. But this is, you use this to, once you get in a position, it locks it in so it doesn't move. You can see that. You can see that, Jimmy? Yep. How cool is that? Okay, so we have these. So this is going to be for my PavoSlim 120 fill light, which I had the same setup in Reno. It's 1231. We have to roll this to the event they're having at a different location. So that's what, another good thing about this setup is I have to bring this whole setup to do more headshots at a mixer. So if I didn't have this set up, I would have to tear everything down and reset it up. We're going to be able to roll right there. This is the NANLITE PavoSlim 120. I'm going to use this as my fill light, and I'll have this follow us when I'm taking a headshot with the camera. So when I move the camera up, I can move my fill light up. Nice is, make sure you get these, because these have the flat pieces. Another thing you should always watch out for is brand logos. I like to have them facing the right way. So this goes in here flat, so when you tighten, Studio Tighten, they won't spin on you. So that's tight. This would be for the Tether station. The Titan one is very nice. I can't wait to get it. I wish I would have it for this show, because this is my first official show using this. But having the extension allows me, the short extension allows the tether base to get away. On the right side, on my right, your left, this is the PavoSlim 240. This is a 240 watt light. That's a panel light by NANLITE, which is phenomenal. This is my main light. I'll have the cord going down to this, and then we have some vertical stuff to be able to clean up the shop. This is going to hold the PavoSlim 240 main light. The only time I really have to adjust these lights if I get somebody really, really short or really, really tall. This is the main light, which is the PavoSlim 240. This is the NANLITE PavoSlim 240, made by NANLITE. We're going to pick up the slack. So I put it back here, but my goal is to be organized. And then what we're going to do is I want all these cables to be clean. Keep all the weight as low as you can. So this is going to be for the PavoSlim 120 color. Want to hear a snap?
I mean, it's interesting that they've offering these extensions of different lengths.
Is that pretty cool?
It's nice, yeah.
How do you think the build process went?
I think the build quality is very good. I love that these poles are screw into each other, you know. And one thing that I noticed about these pistol grips is that they do have a screw, which allow you to tighten.
Yeah, is that cool? That's cool, right? Yeah. We're using the A7R5. I don't touch the camera, so I use a remote control, and we use a Sony Zeiss 55mm lens with a polarizer filter, which reduces the glare. And then we'll do this. We have that. We'll shut this. This is made in Netherlands. It's made by Cambo. It's a gear-driven arm that's phenomenal. This is the Animals Ninja Ultra with a 4 terabyte SSD drive. It locks in, put this together. I forgot that I have this. If you want to power your Atomos, Small Rig has an amazing plate that goes in the back of your camera, which is amazing. All my small cameras have this plate. Locks in here, so you can't take it off. This loosens this, and this little clip allows you to go like up and down. So I take the screen off, bring it forward, lock it in. I grab a V-mount battery by GENTREE.
This red Husky case.
Shout out to PDMokry. Peter recommended these Husky cases. Shout out to Peter. This is a 145 battery by GENTREE, South Korea. South Korean battery, South Korean stand. How cool is that? We're gonna mount this in the back. I do need an HDMI cable. Take it out this. This is made by Small Rig. It's actually one of my favorite finds for using small footprint. We'll attach this to this. So this is gonna power the Atomos Ninja Ultra. Powers that. The tethering Thunderbolt 3. So this is for tethering. We have to get on the Wi-Fi here. This is for Atomos. It gives me a bigger monitor to look at. You'll see in a few minutes how we take headshots. Now with the Sony, you have to move it slightly away and tilt it down because this piece makes the screen go off. So if somebody could tell me how to turn that off, I'd be really happy. So it's Walter Van Dusen on location in New York City. We're at a convention at the Javits Center. We just set up the Studio Titan, all in one stand. We have the PavoSlim 120 and the PavoSlim 240. We have an A7R5 with a Campbell head. We have power. I have cables. 26-pound weights on it, so it's spinning, and there's no carpet. We're now rolling to a mixer where I have to take headshots. Going to now the meeting spot where they have a mixer where they want me to do headshots. If I didn't have this Titan, I would have to take everything down. I would have a tripod, 2 light stands, and a tethering stand. So this is saving me a lot of extra work. We are now just rolling. They have a mixer that I have to get to. There we go. Thank you for your help. Dana, right? Yep. So bring your name badge. So you go like this for me for the very first one. You're gonna look at my lens. Is this just to get in the system? You can take a half step that way. Thank you. So then I take this. We take this right here. I'll run over here. Data, sweet. So if you had pants pockets, just put your thumbs in. Take your hair off here, center your necklace, please. Straight at me. And you see the red? So, yep. But when you do the green and the blue, just do like you're gonna stand like this, and then like this, like that, but stay centered on the red. That's one of the things. I just bought this mat.
I like it.
Thank you. And when you look at the camera, you look right above my lens. Take the necklace and push it down. What's the deal with the necklace? I like the necklace.
Yeah, it's just like a little.
Yeah, I just want to, I'm trying to make sure it looks good. Here we go. Nice smile. Okay, here we go. Nice smiles. Everybody's happy. Bring your hands up a smidgen. This is a smidgen. There you go. And then move your feet like the green, but stay centered. Boom. Yep. There you go. Thank you. Shoulders towards me. Thank you. And then right above my lens. Chin down a little bit. Nice. And then move your feet like the blue, but stay centered. And I want you to do a reset. Like close your eyes and then think of something to be happy. And before you center your necklace that way a little bit. Thank you. And when you smile, I know when you're ready when you smile. Top your head like this. Nice. Chin down. Nice. Top your head like this a little bit. Thank you. Reset. And the shoulders towards me a little bit. Move the necklace that way. And then take your top and move it this way a little bit. Thank you. Good. Reset. All set. And you get an email right in about 10 seconds. Thank you, Dana.